Hello students, we are going to discuss about differential equation. In the past video, we say about degrees of differential equation. Also show that where the degrees of differential equation is not possible or degrees of differential equation is not defined. In this video, we are going to discuss about general solution of differential equation. General solution of differential equation. Now, what is called general solution of differential equation, particular solution of differential equation, and singular solution of differential equation? So, what we see here, there are three types of solution. First is general solution, particular solution, and singular solution. First of all, solution of differential equation. What is solution of differential equation? Solution means if y is equal to fx plus c, if y is equal to fx plus c will satisfy a differential equation, then it is called a solution. Suppose y is equal to mx plus c, dy dx is equal to m d2 by dx2 is equal to 0. Then you can say that d2 by dx2 is equal to 0. This differential equation is satisfied by y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is a solution of differential equation. Now I again say that solutions are three types: general solution, particular solution, and singular solution. Differential equation of order n. Second point is it contains n arbitrary constant. That means if a differential equation of order n, then it must contain n arbitrary constant. If two conditions hold, then we say that this is a general solution. Example, y is equal to mx plus c, two arbitrary constant m and c, then d2 by dx2 is equal to 0 is its differential equation and its order is equal to 2. That means we can say that y is equal to mx plus c is a general solution. As for example, you can say that y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x, where a and b are arbitrary constant. dy dx minus a sin x plus b cos x and d2 by dx2 minus a cos x minus b sin x. That means minus a cos x plus b sin x, that means minus y. Therefore d2 by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. So its order is 2. And here arbitrary constant a and b are two arbitrary constant. Then you can say that y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is a general solution of the differential equation d2 by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Third example, example 3, y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus dx. Is it a general solution of d2 by dx2 plus dy dx plus y is equal to 0? So your answer will be no, because there are a, b, c, a, b and d. There are three arbitrary constant, but your order of the differential equation is 2. So it is not a general solution of this differential equation d2y dx2 plus dy dx plus y is equal to 0. And our next point is particular solution. Particular solution. Obtained from general solution. Particular solution obtained from general solution. Next point is giving particular values of arbitrary constant. Giving particular values of arbitrary constant from the general solution. And third criteria is particular solution is a solution where no arbitrary constant exists. No arbitrary constant exists. Why? Because giving particular values of arbitrary constant, dy dx is equal to x. This is a differential equation. Then dy is equal to x dx. Then y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. It is given that y0 is equal to 5. C is an arbitrary constant. Now y0 is equal to 5 means at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. That means putting y is equal to 5 and 0 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to 5. And putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, c is equal to 5, y is equal to x square plus 2 plus 5 is the particular solution. Now we take another example of particular solution. Example, dy dx is equal to log x and fx is equal to f dash x is equal to log x, f of 1 is equal to 0. It is given that f dash x is equal to log x, that means dy dx is equal to log x, then dy is equal to log x dx. Integrating we get y is equal to log x by parts integration dx minus integration ddx of log x into integration dx whole dx. So we get x log x minus 1 by x, differentiating ddx of log x is equal to 1 by x into x dx. Cancelling we get x log x minus x plus c. Now here f of 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 0 means at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. At x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to 1 log 1 minus 1 plus c. That means c is equal to 1. So from here, this is the general solution. And putting a particular value of arbitrary constant, we get c is equal to 1 and y is equal to x log x minus x plus 1 is the particular solution. In this section, we confined ourselves in just general solution. General solution d2y dx2 plus y. Suppose this is a differential equation. Now you put y is equal to sin x. Then dy dx is equal to cos x and d2y dx2 is equal to minus sin x. Now putting d2y dx2 plus y means minus sin x plus y means sin x is equal to 0. So from here we can conclude that sin x is a y is equal to sin x is a solution of d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. We put y is equal to cos x in this equation. Now dy dx is equal to minus sin x d2y dx2. That means minus cos x, putting d2y dx2 plus y means d2y dx2 minus cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. Y is equal to cos x is a solution of this equation d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Equation again d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0, and we take this sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. Now differentiating sin x is equal to, differentiating we get sin x cos x, and cos x is equal to minus sin x. Again differentiating d2y dx2 minus sin x minus cos x. Now putting this d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. d2y dx2 means minus sin x minus cos x, and y means sin x plus cos x. Cancelling we get this is also 0. So we get sin x plus cos x is also a solution of the differential equation d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. You can similarly do it that sin x minus cos x, y is equal to sin x minus cos x is also a solution. Is also a solution. So from this we say that y is equal to cos x is a solution, y is equal to sin x is a solution, and y is equal to sin x plus cos x is also a solution. So from here we say that sin x plus cos x is more general solution than sin x and cos x. Then we say that sin x plus cos x is the general solution of d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. A sin x plus b cos x. You put y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Then dy dx is equal to minus a cos x minus b sin x. d2y dx2 dy dx is equal to a cos x minus b sin x. d2y dx2 is equal to minus a sin x minus b cos x. Putting here we get d2y dx2 plus y is equal to minus a sin x minus b cos x plus a sin x plus b cos x. This is equal to 0. So we conclude that a sin x plus b cos x is also a solution. From here you easily see that a sin x plus b cos x, putting a is equal to b is equal to 1, we get sin x plus cos x. Putting a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, depending your choice, you get y is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. This is also a solution. This is also a solution. So we say that d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Since its order is 2, then you get only two arbitrary constant. A and b are arbitrary constant. Then a sin x plus cos x or a sin x plus b cos x, where a and b are arbitrary constant, plus b cos x, where a and b are arbitrary constant, is the general solution of d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0.